This is how to find bulk B2B emails like this document with Leads.cm. As you see in the CSV, for the niche business owners and CEOs, you have loads of contacts with name, title, industries, socials, and email, as well as website, company names, company size, description, keywords, and much more. To find those bulk lead lists, I use Leads.cm, because when you try to get huge lead lists with other tools, it either gets so fast, so expensive, or you are just limited at all and can't really do what you want to do. With Leads.cm, you have access to 700 million leads and pay only $20 per month, have no export limits, and can just get these documents. So I will show you. Basically, this is the checkout, and you see it's really $20 per month, and you have access to all these leads from LinkedIn, leads from Instagram. You have a technology lead list tool as well, which I will show you in the end. You have inbuilt email verification and, as I said, unlimited email and phone exports. So I will log in, and here you see the Leads.cm dashboard. Here the LinkedIn leads, the Instagram leads, and the technology lookup feature, what I will show you in the end. But first, now I will show you how you find your bulk B2B email lists in LinkedIn and in the Instagram leads database. First, we go to LinkedIn. I click here, and now the first thing you do is you choose your country. I'll go with United States. Now you see here a list of contacts. You can click on each contact, have a leads overview here, and just get all the information. And here in the top, you see what you can filter for. So I will first show you how the filters work, how you can use them, and then how you can verify your emails inbuilt and export them with the mass export, what is available when you apply some filters. Okie dokie. Let's say we are looking for business owner. What I would do for that is go to the job titles function and search the title column, that is this one, for words I would expect a person to have there when they own a business. So for example, CEO, owner, founder, and then I hit apply and have now 850,000 leads who have CEO, owner, or founder in their title. These filters are already enough. You could already mass export now, but I want to look for a little bit more specific filter. So what you basically want to do is to check who you got. So you see the industries, the websites, the locations, and the company sizes here. When you click, you have the more information. Let's say you're looking for CEOs, founders, or owners of a little bit smaller companies. So we would even take solo entrepreneur, small team, growing startup, maybe even emerging business, and then we hit apply, and now we have 600,000 leads left. So CEOs, founders, and owners of smaller companies. Now we want them to have a website, a business email, and a company description to get more high quality leads. If you want to call them, you could also hit the check on phone, but I will leave it this way, hit apply, and now we have 250,000 leads left. Now we have all industries. So when we look here, we have a very broad target audience right now. So now we can try different industries, whatever your target audience is. For example, real estate, apply. Then we have roughly 10,000 leads left. We could go for consulting, hit apply, then we have 4,000 leads left. We could go for marketing and advertising, apply, and have 20,000 leads left. So what's now pretty insane with Leads.cm is you can just export all 20,000 leads. Write in the comments when you know another software where this is possible. I didn't find one, so it's pretty insane. Now you can of course check what you have, like click on one. This company is called The Marketing Machine, and you can go on the website and look what they do. Check out if they fit in your profile or not. Click through the contacts. You have a technology stack, for example, here too. That's pretty cool. So in LinkedIn, you can also search for technologies, but I will show you the technology lookup tool afterwards. So you could further narrow down your target audience for CEOs, owners, or founders of small companies with email, company description in the industry, marketing and advertising, who use MailChimp. So you can get very specific here. Apply, and now you have 1,300 leads left. So let's assume you like who you found. Now I want to show you how to verify the leads. You can just click here, start verification. Please wait until all contacts are verified. Then it's complete. 49 contacts were removed that have no up-to-date email, and now you can click on export, mass export, give it a name, CEO, marketing and advertising, small company. Save, open it, and then you get a nice CSV file with owners, founders, and CEOs in the industry, marketing and advertising from the United States with their LinkedIn profiles, their verified emails, their company phone numbers, their websites, their company names, company sizes, languages, LinkedIn profile, descriptions, what they do, keywords, technologies they use, revenue, founded year, company size, and basically everything you need to get in touch. I hope you got a good overview about the LinkedIn leads. Now we'll go through the Instagram leads and show you them too. Same as in the LinkedIn leads database, you have the dataset. In Instagram, it's 16 datasets, so you have nice portions of the leads. Basically means that when we are in dataset 1, we are looking for all leads in dataset 1, and then we can click through until we are in dataset 16 and download all 16. The filters we chose will be auto-applied when we click through. So if you would filter something for dataset 1, you can just click on the other datasets. The filters are auto-applied. You can verify the leads and download them. But now I show you how to use the Instagram leads. Instagram is a little bit different because you don't have like official company LinkedIn profiles. You have people who market their companies on Instagram themselves. So the categories are the ones you know from Instagram. You can, for example, type in entrepreneur, hit apply, and then you have 400,000 people who typed in their Instagram category that they are an entrepreneur. Now you can look if you want smaller or bigger accounts. You see here the follower accounts. Maybe you want a little bit bigger accounts from 1,000 to 6,000 followers, and following span to what's a reasonable following count without having trash accounts, maybe 1,000. Then we hit apply, and you have 60,000 leads left that have followers from 1,000 to 6,000. Then you can click on the leads and look what they are, what they give in their bio. This is an e-commerce person, for example. Then we have a mindset coach, high ticket coach, YouTube coach. So you can look further what you want to have. Let's say this time you want to call. We want a person who has phone number, we want a bio, we want a category, we want a website, hit apply. You have 22,000 leads now. Now you can type in keyword. For example, let's say your target audience are coaches. You have the exact function here. That means when you type in coach, you will now also find coaching. When you type in exact, you will only find coach. I like to filter for coach and coaching, so I just hit apply, and now we have 2,800 leads in this follower span who are entrepreneurs with phone who have coach or coaching in their bio. So we can go through again. You can also search for country, for example. If you only want English speaking people, you can go to United Kingdom, United States, Australia and Canada, for example, maybe South Africa too, New Zealand, and then hit apply. Now you can check again, and now you should have a very targeted list. You have mindset and performance coaches, business trainers and mentors, financial coaches. Here you have a health and women coach. You can go on their Instagram profiles and check out if they fit you, can look through, and when you like what you see, then you can click export, mass export, and type in small entrepreneur coaches English. Then you hit save and you can open it. And then again, you have a nice CSV you can just input in your favorite outreach software like Close.io or whatever you're using. You have the websites, the emails, the phone numbers, categories, following counts, the bios, and can just reach out to them. And now, as promised, I will show you the technology lookup feature, which is pretty cool too. I click here. This is good when you know your target audience is using specific software. For example, when you have course creators, you can look for Kajabi customers. Or when you have coaches, maybe ClickFunnels could be interesting. Or when you're an e-com coach or do web design, you maybe are interested in the Shopify leads. So you can basically click on download lead list, choose how much of the list you want to download, like sample list or everything. I'll just go on everything, and then you can choose in a second step if you want all websites who use this or only those who have contact data. I'll go with a clean list, so you hit here, and then it basically, it wants the allowance to download multiple files. You click allow, and then it downloads the Shopify leads. Then you click here and you see the lead lists. I will just go on the test leads. You can open this, and then you basically have the websites who use this, how much revenue they make, what's the name of the company, in which industry they are, the telephones or emails, where they're based, and yes, could be very interesting for you when you know your customers use Shopify. I would say that's basically how you find bulk B2B email lists with Leads.cm without paying a fortune or having to verify your lead externally or all the time thinking about limits. I think it's pretty cool, and everybody should know about them who is dependent on leads and uses expensive leads databases until now. And when you go to Leads.cm to create your account, here you see it again, like 700 million plus leads, LinkedIn leads, Instagram leads, technology leads, email verification, unlimited email and phone exports, and lots more. Type in my coupon code Kelly10, hit apply, and then you get 10% off. I hope you liked the little tutorial on how to find bulk B2B emails. If you did, you can hit that like button or subscribe so I know, and I wish you much fun with this cool tool.